Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Hisfari again, and I am here for another book review video. So for today's book review video, the book that I am going to review about is another of my favorites. It's Charlie and the Chocolate Factory by Roald Dahl, and I assume a lot of you have heard about this book. It was made into films, it was very famous, and without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so the synopsis of this book, it's about a small child named Charlie Bucket. He stays with two grandfathers, two grandmothers, his mother and his father in a house, and they're really poor. So they survive on cabbage soup every day for years. And Charlie really likes chocolate. His favorite is chocolate, but he only gets a bar of chocolate on his birthday, only a bar every year. The story is that when a famous chocolate factory owner, Mr. Willy Wonka, he decides that he's going to close down his factory, and he wants to give 5 people a tour of his factory because no one has ever been there except him. So he slips in 5 golden tickets into 5 chocolate bars, and Charlie wins one of them. He buys 2, and one more is in another chocolate bar. So he and another 4 more children get the opportunity to go into the chocolate factory and just see what is in the factory. So out of all the 5 children, Charlie is one of them, and he is the most behaved one. The 4 of them are either demanding, misbehaving, so the 4 of them are really out in different ways. They get punished in different ways, and that they don't get to complete the tour, and they don't get the prize at the end. So I'm not gonna tell you guys the prize at the end of the tour, that what Charlie gets. But this book is really interesting because it shows that when you misbehave, you don't get what you want, you get punished in the end. My favorite character from this book is Charlie Bucket. He is a really nice, he's a good boy. He's not demanding, he's not someone who disobeys, someone who misbehaves. He also follows instructions given. Like when the owner of the factory, Mr. Willy Wonka, says not to touch this, not to touch that, not to go near this, he doesn't do it. So I think this book is suitable for children ages 8 and above, because at that age is where you start to think whether what am I doing is right or what am I doing is wrong. Is this right? Is this wrong? So by reading this book, by seeing Charlie Bucket and the other 4 children, they misbehave and he's not. He's getting what he wants and they aren't getting what they want. They're getting punished. So from that, they can emulate all the good things from this book and not the bad things. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.